Hidden among the rolling hills of Vietnam lies a forgotten landscape, untouched for years and offering little promise for agriculture.
Every successful transformation begins with careful observation, where technology meets generations of farming experience.
The soil tells a story, revealing both the challenges ahead and the hidden potential beneath the surface.
Reliable water is the foundation of every productive farm, and every contour of the landscape must be understood.
With the survey complete, a carefully designed plan begins to shape the future of this abandoned hillside.
The first stage is demanding, removing years of unchecked vegetation while respecting the surrounding natural ecosystem. Heavy machinery reshapes the surface with remarkable precision, creating land suitable for modern farming.
Order slowly replaces chaos as the hillside begins its remarkable transformation. What was once neglected land is now prepared for the next chapter, building a modern Vietnamese potato farm from the ground up.
With the land cleared, permanent terraces begin to emerge, reducing erosion while preparing the hillside for generations of cultivation.
Reliable access roads are essential, allowing equipment to reach every corner of the developing farm.
A dedicated reservoir will provide a dependable water supply throughout every growing season.
Beneath the soil, an invisible network is being built to deliver water precisely where every crop will need it.
Modern irrigation transforms an unpredictable environment into one capable of supporting consistent agricultural production. Deep cultivation loosens compacted soil, creating the ideal foundation for healthy root development.
Rich organic matter restores life to exhausted soil, preparing it to nourish the next harvest. Careful soil preparation ensures that nutrients are evenly distributed throughout the entire field.
Each raised bed is shaped with remarkable accuracy, improving drainage and creating ideal growing conditions.
The transformation is well underway, and the hillside now stands fully prepared for its first potato crop.
With every field prepared, the arrival of certified seed potatoes marks the beginning of a new growing season.
Each seed potato is planted at a carefully calculated depth and spacing to maximize future yields.
Each raised bed is shaped with remarkable accuracy, improving drainage and creating ideal growing conditions.
The transformation is well underway, and the hillside now stands fully prepared for its first potato crop. The first irrigation activates the growing cycle beneath the freshly prepared soil.
Digital monitoring allows water to be applied with exceptional precision, reducing waste while encouraging healthy growth.
After weeks beneath the soil, the first green shoots finally appear across the hillside.
Early crop management helps every young plant compete for sunlight, nutrients, and water. Uniform crop development is a clear sign that careful planning is beginning to deliver results.
Only months ago, this hillside stood abandoned. Today, it has become the foundation of a thriving modern potato farm. With healthy foliage now covering the hillside, the crop enters its most important stage of development.
Constant field inspections allow problems to be detected long before they threaten the harvest.
Precise irrigation ensures every plant receives exactly the moisture required for steady growth.
Carefully timed nutrition supports vigorous foliage and encourages strong tuber formation beneath the soil.
Integrated crop management protects both productivity and the surrounding environment.
Small details in the field often determine the success of an entire growing season.
The once barren hillside is now almost entirely hidden beneath a thriving green canopy.
Beneath the surface, the first mature tubers are beginning to reach commercial size.
This one appears to be the most promising.
Yes, it's ready.
Months of careful planning and hard work are now clearly visible across every terrace. The transformation is unmistakable. What was once neglected land has become a productive agricultural landscape ready to deliver its first harvest. Months of careful cultivation have brought the crop to full maturity, and harvest is finally approaching. Detailed field assessments ensure harvesting begins at precisely the right moment. Specialized harvesting machines now move into position, ready for one of the busiest days of the season. Powerful harvesting systems gently separate potatoes from the soil with remarkable efficiency.
Across the hillside, harvesting progresses with impressive coordination and precision.
Every harvest is carefully inspected to maintain consistent quality from field to market. Freshly harvested potatoes leave the fields within minutes, preserving both quality and freshness.
Automation allows every potato to be cleaned, graded, and prepared efficiently for distribution.
The harvest now begins its journey beyond the farm, supplying markets across the region.
From abandoned hillside to productive farmland, the transformation is now complete, demonstrating the remarkable potential of modern Vietnamese agriculture.
Harvest may be complete, but the journey from field to consumer has only just begun.
Every potato is carefully sorted to meet strict commercial quality standards.
Cold storage preserves freshness and extends shelf life before distribution begins. Carefully controlled storage conditions protect the harvest long after it leaves the field. Efficient logistics ensure the harvest reaches consumers quickly while maintaining product quality. Each shipment represents months of planning, engineering, and careful cultivation. From this hillside, fresh potatoes begin their journey to homes, supermarkets, and restaurants across the country. Modern farming is a continuous cycle, where preparation for the next harvest begins almost immediately. Today, every element of the farm works together as a single, highly efficient production system.
What began as abandoned land has become a thriving example of modern Vietnamese agriculture and sustainable rural development.
The transformation is complete, but modern farming is a continuous process of improvement and renewal.
The data here indicates a significant increase in the northern plot.
Yes, but the soil analysis suggests we need to adjust the nutrients for the next cycle.
Long-term productivity depends on restoring the soil as carefully as it was cultivated.
Healthy farmland is built not only through harvests, but through careful stewardship of the soil itself.
Sustainable farming succeeds when productive agriculture exists in harmony with the surrounding environment.
The knowledge passed from one generation to the next remains at the heart of every successful farming community. Years of careful planning have transformed every part of the hillside into a highly productive farming landscape. Regular maintenance ensures the farm remains productive long into the future.
Vậy là hoàn hảo. Chúng ta sẵn sàng.
Today, this once-forgotten hillside contributes both to local livelihoods and national food production.
From abandoned land to a thriving modern enterprise, this remarkable transformation reflects the resilience, innovation.
From barren land to productive farmland, the transformation is nothing short of extraordinary.
Every terrace, every road, and every field reflects years of careful planning and dedicated work. And that is how we ensure the new crop flourishes. It is vital for our future.
Yes, teacher, I understand now.
Modern farming and environmental stewardship now exist side by side across this once-forgotten hillside. What began as an abandoned hillside
has become a lasting symbol of resilience, innovation,